Hey YouTube land, this is Mark from Cornell Farms, Michigan. We're running beans. First day is getting going here, the sun's going down. Dark. I've been screwing around trying to get all the fine-tuned adjustments going here. Thought I'd just make a quick video. The windows are kind of dusty. We're in the 2388 Caseih combine with 30-foot head with a, you can see the air reel. We run AWS air bar, blows everything in. Run a little faster. A couple guys use up in the thumb to do white beans, navy, kidneys. Just helps feed stuff in. A lot cheaper than buying a draper. You can use your regular auger head. There's a blower motor right here. Newer styles, they put them on the head, but definitely helps. This is an AWS. I think they're made in Canada. But, yeah, these are pretty good beans. When you get short beans, it really shines. Saves you probably 3 bushel the acre, so it don't take long to pay for it. But anyway, that's just a quick update. Sorry about the dirty windows. I haven't had time to clean them. Anyway, there's only 50 acres in this field. Got the grain cart up the other end on the 8920. Got it full. We're just waiting for the semi to come do the trucking. So probably finished planting wheat here. All that down there is wheat that we planted that we couldn't on prevented plant ground. That got planted about 2 weeks ago before all the heavy rains. We got all the low grounds planted. So we're gonna plant the rest of this to wheat here, winter wheat. So anyway, just a quick ride around, nothing fancy. Got going here in Michigan. So far the beans are they're 49, pretty almost 50 bushel. That's pretty good for June 20th beans for us. Anyway, it's kind of ground. So, anyway, hope everybody's having a great day and a safe harvest. Supposed to have 2 or 3 days here with no rain for a change finally. Hopefully we can get something done. Beans are just finally getting going good. They're around 13%. Some of the other beans are still in the 18% range. Guys are running. We just don't get 3 good days of drying here. So we have here going to Michigan. Everybody have a great evening. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.